Chevrolet Suburban half-ton LT model to take a look at Unique, especially in classics. This particular vehicle, Texas vehicle, pretty much its entire life before coming to us. A little over 98,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles. And you can tell, take a look at the underside pics of this vehicle. I have pics of the undersides of the doors. Definitely tell this was a Texas vehicle. Of course, 5.7 liter underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Should get a good look at the front grille, bumper. Now, if you want to see those still pictures, like I said, check out the underside, engine bay interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. LT is going to have leather interior in it. Buckets up front, center console. 5.7 liter is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. It does have the cassette and CD player, AM/FM radio. Of course, all the power equipment, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have a power driver seat. See, nice and straight. Does not appear there's been any body work done to this one. Riding on the factory wheels, radial tires. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Would have the third row seat, of course, in the sub. Barn doors in the rear here you can see. Also, some recent service work was done to this. The AC was serviced all within the last year. Belts replaced, air filter, wheel bearing seal. Also just an oil change in September. It's not many miles on that. So this one's ready to go. Turn the key and you're set. Remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. Take a look on the chrome on the rear bumper. Not peeling. I'll clean that receiver hitches also, so you don't get the corrosion and the rust, obviously, with this being a Texas vehicle. Is a two-wheel driver. Didn't mention that before. Second row bench and then third row bench also. And then, of course, the buckets up front. Power seat, again on the driver's side. Your power windows, mirrors and locks. Tilt column, cruise control, overhead console. Let's go ahead and start this up. There's your exact miles too, a little over 98,000, so 98,097. As you can also see, no warning indicators or check engine lights, anything like that. There's your stereo system, AM, FM, cassette, CD, and again, it does work. Wipers also work. Take a look at the dash. Not cracked, sun faded, anything like that. And the seats, you can see the seats also in very nice shape. Considering year and miles, you can tell it was well taken care of. In 1997, clean Carfax, Texas vehicle, no accidents indicated. Sounds as you would expect. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to let you at least take a peek underneath the hood and we'll check out that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there it is. Take a look at the hood liner. One of the things I like to show, and you can see, well, this thing hasn't been driven in any climate weather. Look how clean that hood liner is. 5.7 liter. 4 cap V8. 97s. A great power plant. power steering, power brake reports. Once again, AC glows cold. This one's ready to roll. 1997 Chevrolet half-ton Suburban, two-wheel drive LT model. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. It'll take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.